Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 10th of August to 16th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, and for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see for my Libras, what do we have? The Chariot is here. So might be going on far, really far. Might be traveling, might be shifting your home, shifting to new place, but still deciding about it, you know. Decision not made yet, I'm saying. For some of you, you want to move on in your life, I'm seeing. Okay, let's see. Okay, but still there are some kind of a situation where, you know, you are still not able to, you want something but you are not able to. Okay, so let's see now. Let's start your reading. Last shuffle, please. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and then we'll see at the end what are the guidance messages for you. What kind of advice does the universe has for you? Okay. At the end of the deck, it's the Star card over here. I'm feeling that this is a hope card here. You know, you're hoping for some kind of a thing to just, you know, come back again. A hope for someone to come back, a hope for something to come back. Okay, so your past energies are 8 of Cups, 4 of Cups and 2 of Swords. So might be you, might be other person, somebody or something. You know, you just left something over here, I'm seeing. You know, this might be you have left this person or a situation, and you even rejected that offer. You know, that basically a no from your side. I'm saying that I'm not ready to accept love, I'm not ready to accept any situation, I'm not ready to accept that thing, so I should leave. Because your energy is here, 2 of Swords is here. This is an energy of indecisiveness. I'm seeing that you were not able to decide, so what you did, you just left that situation. When you are not able to decide something, it's better to leave a situation, you know. That is what you did. Your present energies are the Hangman, Page of Wands, the Empress. So you are still in that energy, but you are still in your past. You want to do your work. See, your work life is fine, but still something is still hanging on, some kind of a decision, because that decision from which you walked out was not exactly a decision. You just walked out, all right, from that particular thing. Decision is yet to be made. You need to take a decision still. Your future energies are 6 of Swords, the Magician and Ace of Cups. So here you are going towards a decision, taking the decision, taking whatever is needed, because something is coming up in your life, I'm saying. I think this hope which you were actually feeling, like somebody coming back or someone new, this is more of a new person in your life but I'm seeing that you are moving towards this. Either it's a new love, either it's a new opportunity, whatever this is, you are going towards this particular thing. This person not coming towards you, you going towards this situation. Let's clarify now. Let's see what is the Star card. Why is the Star card over here in the overall energy of the Librans? Ace of Cups again. So I hope for this thing, you know. What else? The Hangman at the Death. See, this is something which has already been ended. like because your past energies are showing me that you, is it you who left or somebody else might left you. So this is something where this thing has been ended, but still there is a pause for you in your life. Whatever this thing is, this was finished, this was finished, but still it is unfinished. So this is some kind of unfinished business, some kind of thing which is not yet finished. All right, so let's see what is this Eight of Cups in your past energies. I will not take these. Ten of Cups with the Seven of Pentacles. So you invested a lot of time in this thing, and then when it was coming towards you with the fruition, with the Ten of Cups, either you left or something else left you. It was going fine. With the Ten of Cups, I really feel that it was moving fine. Everything was fine between you and them or some other situation. You even invested your money, your time in this thing, but you had to leave. You had to leave us from a situation. Okay, let's see, why is this Four of Cups in your past situation? King of Pentacles, what else? The Hierophant, Knight of Swords, and Nine of Cups. Okay, so I'm seeing for some of you this might be a marriage where you are not accepting, sorry. So this might be a marriage proposal or a marriage where sometimes you are not ready to accept that marriage. Like for some of you it might be a situation where you were forced to get married and you were not ready for that thing, but people told you that it is a good offer, it's a good family, money wise and everything wise, and it happened, but it happened suddenly. You were deciding about that situation, like what to do, what not to do, and all of a sudden you got married. Okay, let's see what is this Two of Swords over here. King of Swords. So this was a decision taken by your mind, not by your heart. Your intuition was telling you, no, you shouldn't go there, no, 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 but your mind was involved in, like, you should go, that kind of thing, because your mind was not working by you. I'm seeing that it is more of a situation where it is working by someone else, not by you, because your intuition was telling you that just wait for some time, just wait. If you are indecisive, when this card appears, sometimes you have to just do nothing. Like, I know in this situation somebody left, like when they were feeling indecisive, so this person or you left that situation when you were feeling like this. But sometimes you shouldn't even do anything, you just leave it like that. And that is why the whole situation, because you didn't do anything, because you didn't take a step, that person with whom you are dealing with, that situation with whom you are dealing with, they were also not taking any step towards you. You also didn't took any step. So what happened? You moved this way and they moved that way. So what happened? Nothing. All right, so let's see, why is the Hangman? Okay, so Ace of Pentacles is here. Okay, are you waiting for one more chance? Are you waiting for one more chance that that person might come back to you and might talk to you, might give you some other chance? Let's see one more. Three of Cups. Okay, I am seeing that somebody over here is wanting to reconcile. Somebody wants a reunion over here with a person who left. either it's you or them. Somebody wanted to come back in your life. Either you want to go back or they want to come back. So you decide in which situation you are. Let's see, why is this Page of Wands? The Lovers, all right. Four of Pentacles and Justice. So this is you dealing with a Gemini or a Sagittarius or Aries. So you are in a situation where, okay, so this is the situation I'm telling you. So whatever situation you are in, it's like that there is that bonding, there is that love, if you will say that, there is that attraction, whatever this is, there is that bonding, but someone is, you know, trying to hold on to their feelings, like no, why would I go towards this person, why should I, you know, that is the thing which is coming up. Either it's you, or it's them, but this is a strong energy which is coming up, like both of you want the same thing, but both of you are doing nothing for that thing. Okay, so let's see. Three of Pentacles with Judgment over here. So see, both of you want to, you know, work on the situation. Whichever the situation is, whatever situation you are in, you want to work things out. I'm saying you want to work things out, you want to take a step, this is what you want, but what are you doing to do it? Are you taking an action for that thing? Are you? Let's see the Six of Swords in your future energies. What is this? The Devil, all right. What else this is? Okay, so I'm seeing over here somebody is going to take a step ahead and, you know, just going towards this person, or you are going to take a step over here, like moving, even, you know, if you want that person to be yours, you are going towards that person's place, like you are traveling to this person and you are going to say that I'm sorry. There's some kind of a proposal, there's some kind of a situation where I'm seeing that it's you. I don't know why, because the two Magicians, you know, this might be both of you taking the same action towards each other, and basically you both are manifesting for this thing. So this Magician is telling me that you both are manifesting for this relationship, this new bonding again, this Ace of Cups, the love, the passion with each other which you feel, you know, you both are wanting, because there is a strong attraction with the Ace of Rods and Devil. It's an attraction which is not just made in a day. Okay, so this is some kind of an attraction which is, you know, very hard to it's really hard to separate this kind of an attraction. All right, so let's see, why is this Ace of Cups in your future energies? What is this Ace of Cups, please? So many cards. All right, Five of Wands. Okay. What else? Okay, wow. So if you have decided to move to this person or the situation, like, so you will be the one who will proceed, or they will be the one who will come and talk to you, but there will be conflicts first. They will be fighting before, like, you both will start fighting to each other, like, why did you do this, why did you do that, and then all of a sudden, you know, there will be reunion. I'm seeing that. This is a very beautiful reading for you, Librans, and there is a reunion. There is something like, okay, so let's just let bygones be bygones. Let's just proceed in our lives now. So that's it. All right, so let's see what does the universe has some kind of advice for my Librans? What advice do you think, universe, what advice do you think the Librans should hear regarding the situation? Any advice, please? Any advice from you? Six of Wands, Nine of Cups, and Knight of Cups. Okay. Okay. So the universe wants that just do something. Okay. If you are working, if you are going towards something, see, what is this? This is something, you know, you are wishing for, you and the other person, whomsoever this is. It's your energy. The universe wants you. You are wishing for something. This is your wish fulfillment card. You know, you are wishing for a happy family. You are, because this is Nine of Cups, and you are wishing for a Ten of Cups with someone. Ten of Cups, the happy family, the marriage card, whatever, the reunion. You want that thing. For that thing, you have to make a move. You have to go. You have to propose the person. You have to talk to someone. Whatever you want in your life, you know, then you will be finding the victory. Then you will be finding the success. But you need to talk to them. You know, just sitting and doing nothing won't work. Alright, so that's all, Librans, from my side, and I hope it helps. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.